Ka kanhun Menteri ka Sorkar ha kasantrik jemang kala ai ka jingmenjur ban penkala ya ka Meghalaya Building Byelaws arjar arpway kabala pynhiar ka jingdonkam jaka nakabentai ki jingtei bakirpang ki bahab hakathub special project khnang ban ai jingmentoy ki try khndo hapo ki jaka sar. Ka kanhun Menteri ka jala kala menjur ya ka jingpen kala ki kindon jongka Meghalaya Building Bylaws arjar arpway ha kabaya day bat ki special projects category ong Menteri Sorkar ban ong aiktin ka MDA uba wailat miki shila habakren shakilat thaikbor hadin ka jingala. Kani ka thop jong ka special projects category ka kan thop iki kampan roy ki bahe kum ki hotel ki jaka puli ki jaka sumar ki shopping mall multiplexes ICT ki BPO center bat ki jaka pai ba. Special projects kamut ki tu ki project ani building ki badan ya shibun ki kam kum ki hotel ki jaka tre kam pai ba jaka sumar jaka puli shopping mall multiplex ICT BPO ki badan ya ka jaka ka ba omduna ya ka sanpho 4 square feet bat ka bamduna ya ka arpho 4 square feet ka single cover area ong uba wailan. Kani ka jingpen kala pendunai ka jinghe jong ka jaka na ka sanpho 4 square feet syakalai penyo 4 sunspa square feet bat na ka benta ka single cover area na ka arpho 4 square feet syaka katsan 4 square feet. Ngilayo i baki babon na ki beriu jongi kimdan ki jaka ki bahe haduk sanpho 4 square feet. Kumta daka ni ka jingpen kala ngilawan pendunai ka jaka na ka sanpho 4 square feet syakalai penyo 4 sunspa square feet but yaka single cover area syaka katsan 1,000 square feet ulaang.
This amendment is actually is for because to give the opportunity to the people who have land in the urban area, where in the past the amendment which says like this section A2.60 special project mean those project / building which with large scale activities such as hotels, public institution, healthcare, shopping malls, multiplex, ICT, BPOs, educational institution having a minimum plot of area of 50,000 square feet and minimum single cover area of 20,000 square feet. So this will come under the special project. But with this amendment, because we have seen that many of our people here, they won't be having such big land of 50,000 square feet. So that's why with this amendment, we have reduced this area from 50,000 square feet to 37,500 square feet and a minimum single cover area of 15,000 square feet. So means like the people can really who have this much of land, they can build the special project where they can get more story building, which can benefit them.